What's up, guys? JB here with Iconic Mods. In today's video, pretty sure you can tell, we're opening some boxes. So let's just jump right in. Let's see. First package. Let's see here. Oops, looks like I ripped the packing slip. Oh yeah. All right, so for y'all that don't know, I am currently working, or I'm going to be working on a water-cooled build, custom water-cooled build inside my own case. I'm not sure if I'm keeping the case that I have or if I'm going to be swapping it out. You guys can let me know in the comments if you think I should keep the Bumblebee case or swap it out. If I'm going to swap it, I think I'm going to wait till after CES to see what's coming out first before I pick a new case. So anyway, in this first box we have a Thermaltake. This is a drain valve by Thermaltake, and this thing is very popular. It's always out of stock, and I just happened to catch it in stock on Newegg. So when I saw it, I jumped on it. So as you can tell, it's a little bit different of a drain valve. It doesn't have your twist at the top. You just turn the valve itself like this, on and off, and that opens and closes it. So that's that. So that's the first thing. I'm very glad I got this. This was a good find. Let's see what the next box is. Go from biggest to small. Smallest to biggest. So yeah. Aha. So this is, you guys know I'm all about the silence when it comes to late night gaming. So this is a silent silicone keyboard. It's all rubber, so not a lot of sound, if at all. So we're gonna be checking this out in another video coming up very soon. And I think I might be giving one of these away. I'm not sure yet, but I think I might be. So y'all stay tuned for that, just in case. So let's see. Next box. I'm not sure who this one came from. All right, so this is another box from Performance PCs. I ordered a lot of stuff from Performance PCs as of late. So yeah, let's see what we got here. This is, what is this? All right, it's a barrel something. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I did get quite a few barrel parts. So, oh, okay, this is my flow meter. This is a RGB flow meter from Barrow. I'll show you this one when we do the build video. So yes, the RGB flow meter. Let's see what else. This is the Barrow temperature display connector that goes to your GPU block. I'll post a picture on the, it'll be somewhere on screen that you can see what this looks like, and that's going to be going on my GPU block itself. See, it comes with, there's an Allen wrench there. It's got good packaging, that's for sure. Nice amount of foam inside the little plastic case. So, and that's it right there. Connects to your GPU. I don't want to take it out of plastic just yet, because I don't want dust and dirt to get in there, but connects to the GPU. Then you've got your ports, your G1/4 ports, so you can plug in whatever. Then you've got, hard to see here, but you got a little mini monitor right there, a little screen, LCD screen that's going to give you all your readouts and displays. So that's going to be really good for the water cooled build. I'm looking forward to seeing that on there. That's going to be dope. So yeah, let's put that aside. Let's see. Okay. All right. So this is, all right. So these are some impellers for the flow meter. The impeller that comes in it, I think, is black. And with the fluid that I got, or that I ordered, I don't think you'll be able to see it. So I decided to pick these up, these white ones, because I think you'll see that better with the liquid going through it. So I'm excited about that. Let's see, what else is in here? Okay. All right, so this is my USB-C right angle adapter. Instead of having that front header facing directly up, that cable looks horrid like that. This is a part that I've seen it on Amazon, but very rarely. But they did have it in stock at Performance PC, so I picked that up for sure. I think this is going to give the build a little bit cleaner look, so I'm excited about that as well. So yeah, let's put that there. Let's see what else we got in here. All right, so we got some more fittings. All right, so this is, let's see, this is a Bits Power T fitting. All right, so this is going to be what I'm going to use for my drain valve to set it off from the rest of the build. So that's going to be a good look right there on that. Let's see right here. All right, so this is a male-to-male extension fitting. That's also going to go along with that splitter, that T-valve there. All right, so this is a exhaust pressure relief valve that's going to go on to something very special I have that should be in one of these boxes coming up, but I'll wait till we get to that later. I think you guys are going to like that one. All right, so I think that might be it for this box. I don't see anything else in there. So that's that so far. A nice little haul we got going on here so far. I like it. All right, on to the next box. Box is kind of heavy too, so it might be quite a bit of stuff in this one. Let's see, and yeah, it is quite a bit. Aha! Actually, before we get to this box here, I want to see this. This is the main thing I've been looking to see right here, or one of the main things I've been looking to see. I actually put a shot of this up on my Twitter page a couple days ago, but this is the Cryo Chills. This is the UFO Cryo Chills fluid. It looks like the View. So when you shake it up, you get that effect going on right there. Look at that. Look at all that goodness, boy. Woo! Ooh, that's gonna be fire. All right, so this right here, this is the Galactic Black color. It's more of a dark silvery and black mix. So that's what's going on in the build, which is why I got these white propellers, because I think this fluid with the black impeller, you just won't see it. So with these, you'll be able to see it better. So yeah, this is what's up. So yeah, that's that right there. Okay, let's toss that aside. Next, we got quite a few of these boxes right here. Not sure what these are. These are, oh, okay, these are my Thermaltake G1/4. These are the 95/45 degree angle fittings. And the reason I say that, let's see, I got two here. I ordered a bunch of these, so it might be more in these other bags, other boxes. So let me cut one over right quick and show it to you guys. All right, so this fitting is dope because, as you can see, it's got the 45 degree angle here with the G1/4, and then it's got the 90 degree angle with the G1/4 right here on one fitting. So whichever angle you need, you just use that angle and plug off the other one. So that's dope, instead of having to buy two different size fittings. So that's what's up. And I got a bunch of these for that reason. So let's put that there. I'm pretty sure that's what's in the rest of these boxes. Yep, here's two more right here. So that's that. I'm making like a mad crazy mess up in here right now, just throwing stuff everywhere. Two more of those 45s and 90s. So I'll toss that over there. And then let's see, 1, 2, all right, two more 45 and 90s. So that's that. And I think that's it for this particular box. So that was a good box right there. I'm liking that. And shout out to Performance PCs for having all of this stuff in stock. I love you guys. You're the best. So moving along to the next joint. Yeah. So, oh yeah, yes. This would be another box from Performance PCs. And this is my Radeon Vega Nickel Plexi GPU block. As you guys know, I have a Vega 64, and I just happened to catch this on sale. I want to say when I bought this, it was 50% off or something like that, something crazy. It was like $65 plus shipping. So I think I ended up paying like $75 for this block. So yeah, that's what's up. So all right, so we're gonna set that right there. So now we're down to the last box, and this is the big ones. This should be the one box that is from Newegg, so I know exactly what it is. And this is the big boy haul out of the whole shebang here. So first we got your magnetic parts tray. I'm tired of losing screws whenever I'm doing builds or working on something. You know how it is, man. You're doing something, you drop them little screws, they are a pain in the ass to try to find. So I got this to keep that from happening anymore. And then, yes, oh yes, there's this baby. This is the new Bits Power Touch Aqua XYZ reservoir / pump all in one. Yep. I'm gonna just leave it right there. Let's just crack it open, give you guys a first glance of it, you know what I'm saying? And then there'll be a video on this much later on down the line. So I just want to give you guys a quick view of what it looked like though. So let's crack this bad boy open. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah. All right, so when we first open up the box, first thing you're seeing, you got some fittings that come with it, but they are silver, so you know your boy ain't doing that. Here's that pressure release valve, which is why I bought that black one, because I'm not using silver fittings in this build. And I knew I was gonna need that, so yeah, I took care of that. We got some other plugs and stuff that you're gonna need because the block is RGB. Here's some mounting brackets. They're aluminum, very high quality. I mean, they look like they're gonna be pretty sturdy, no problems with that. And then, I don't know if y'all ready for this. Should I do it? Should I? Yeah, let's do it. Let's go. Woo! And this is it. This is that fire right here. Hold up. We got a little something we gotta give a little cut to. Make sure I don't cut the block because it's all plexi. So, you know, I don't want no cuts or scratches on my plexi. So, I don't know if y'all ready for this. This that fire right here. Oh, woo! What? I don't know if y'all's ready for this right here. Woo! First time taking this out of the packaging. Woo! Boy, look at that right there. Look at that right there. Woo! As you can see, it's got the RGB strip down the side, and that strip is removable. So you can replace that strip with a different one if you want. You just release the screw right here on the bottom, take the plexiglass that covers it off, and then you can replace the strip with whatever strip you choose to put in there. Around the back real quick, you can see the DDC pump back here that's built into the res. You can see ports right here that come directly from the pump itself. Then there's another channel right here that runs through and taps your flow meter inside the pump in the res. You've got another port up top that releases from it. Then you've got two ports up at the very top. One's a drain port, and the other one you can use if you want to fill it from a different angle. So, but yeah, that's it. This right here is gonna set it off. So, but like I said, there'll be a dedicated video on this coming up very soon on the channel. So make sure you stay tuned and look out for that. But that right there, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I got for you today. So I'm gonna get on up out of here. I'm gonna put all this stuff in a little spot. I got some more stuff coming. So probably another unboxing video coming up real soon. Anyway, I'll holler at you. Peace.
I'm running this game like multiple. I'm running this game like multiple.